The 2023 Renault Captur enters the compact SUV market with a reputation for distinctive looks and a splash of customization that has set it apart from the competition. This model features a range of impressive specifications, from the choice between a 1.3-liter turbocharged engine and a 1.6-liter hybrid powertrain, to its stylish design and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're considering it for its fuel efficiency, safety features, or sheer drivability, the Captur offers plenty of reasons to take a closer look. Under the hood, the Captur boasts a choice of a 1.3-liter turbocharged engine, producing 138 horsepower and 170 pound-feet of torque, or a 1.6-liter hybrid engine with 145 horsepower and 135 pound-feet of torque. Depending on the engine, the Captur can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in as quick as 9.5 seconds, with a top speed between 118 and 124 miles per hour. The hybrid model offers an impressive fuel economy of 37 mpg in the city and 44 mpg on the highway, making it a practical choice for both city and highway driving. When it comes to safety, the Captur doesn't compromise. It has been awarded a 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP and boasts a range of driver assistance systems such as active emergency braking system, traffic sign recognition, lane keep assist, and more. This emphasis on safety, along with a solid warranty and servicing plan, makes the Captur an appealing choice for families and safety-conscious drivers. Inside, the 2023 Renault Captur is just as impressive. It offers a comfortable and tech-filled interior that includes a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, heated front seats, keyless entry and start, automatic climate control, and a range of safety features like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Additionally, the 2023 model comes with a 7-inch digital instrument cluster and a variety of optional features like a panoramic sunroof and a Bose sound system, allowing drivers to customize their Captur to their liking. Priced starting at $22,990, the Captur offers a competitive entry point in the small SUV market. However, the cost can increase depending on trim, engine choice, and optional features. With its dimensions of 168 inches in length, 70.7 inches in width, and 60.9 inches in height, it offers comfortable seating for 5 and a spacious cargo area, making it a practical choice for those who need versatility in a compact package. The 2023 Renault Captur stands out in the compact SUV market with its unique blend of style, performance, and practicality. Its mix of engine options, advanced safety features, and well-equipped interior make it a strong contender in the segment. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a versatile family car, the Captur is a vehicle that is worth considering. It's available now in dealerships nationwide, offering a promising option for those in the market for a new compact SUV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.